Hello, this is a A200. Yeah. We have this car is from UK. Okay, we have load the Singapore local map. Yeah, it's over here. Okay, so you can search by touchscreen, right? You can search by keyboard. For example, the postcode 658064. Okay. Okay. Actually, we are here. Okay, you have a lot of settings like the advanced map orientation. You can use the 3D, so you will see the 3D buildings, right? Auto zooming and map element. You want to see satellite map, traffic accident, etc. Text information, motorway information, next intersection street, current street, the geo coordinates, none. Yeah, this is a footer. It's over here. It's current street is a Bukit Batok Crescent map version. Now it's a V7, the latest, Southeast Asia. Okay, you can see clearly, including all the Southeast Asia country, plus Taiwan. Taiwan map is over here. Where's the Taiwan? Okay, never mind. Not important. Okay, and yeah, you touch, then you can see this menu. If you have the gesture control, actually no need to touch once. The menu will automatically show up once your hand reach here. Okay. Later we will install this guy. Okay, let us show the navigation. Yeah, this is the navigation map inside the instrument cluster. This is the navigation guidance. Okay. And one more thing I'm going to show you is this AMG package. It's called Check Pace. Yeah, this is not AMG car, but we have activated this AMG Check Pace menu. Okay, you can see quite a lot of sub menus inside, like check race, jag race. Please pull away to select menu start to start the measurement. Okay, and this is the telemetry. Okay, and this is the dash cam. For this car, we don't have this dash camera over here. We have no, so this dash camera is not available. This is option. You can use the check race apps. Actually, we install from the App Store. The name is called AMG Check Pace, not check race. It's called Check Pace. Okay, so after you install the Check Pace, then you can pair, like authorize a new device, add a new device. You use your iPhone or Android phone to scan this QR code, then you will link into this unit. This is a very nice feature. You can go to the App Store to take a look to see more details. But if you have an A-Class, you can get it in our workshop and play it around. This is a very nice feature for this Mercedes. Oh, I said Mercedes, then the Hey Mercedes come out. Okay. And we also activate this smartphone integration. We have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a Baidu Car Life. This is one Chinese apps, also very nice. He has our own navigation system, Baidu Ditu. So you can use it in all over the world. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.